Hello everyone, in this video. Today we will talk about what are the benefits and drawbacks of listening music while coding. Listening music is a common practice among many programmers, and it can have both benefits and potential drawbacks. Whether or not it's a good idea for you depends on your personal preferences and work habits. Before discussing about benefits and drawbacks, like this video and check out another videos available on my channel about coding, and please subscribe my channel. Benefits of listening to music while coding. First, improves focus. For some individuals, music can help create a focused and immersive environment, reducing distractions from background noise. It acts as a mental stimulant, engaging the brain's reward center, making repetitive coding tasks more enjoyable. Additionally, familiar or instrumental music can help reduce anxiety, enhancing problem-solving abilities and productivity. Second, enhances creativity. Music can stimulate creativity and help you think outside the box, which can be beneficial when solving complex coding problems. But it's essential to choose the right genre and volume level, as music that's too loud or with distracting lyrics can hinder concentration, and your creativity also depends on music. Third, mood enhancement. Listening to music you enjoy can boost your mood and motivation, making coding sessions more enjoyable. Fourth, mental flow. Some programmers find that music can help them enter a state of flow, where they become highly productive and deeply engaged in their work. Fifth, blocking out office noise. If you work in a noisy office or have distractions around you, music can act as a barrier, helping you concentrate on your tasks. Now we will discuss some of drawbacks of listening music during coding. First, distraction. Music, especially with lyrics, can be distracting for some individuals, making it difficult to focus on complex coding tasks. Sometimes we choose wrong music means we are doing coding and we are listening a romantic song. Sometimes romantic songs can distract you and you start thinking about your girlfriend or boyfriend. So, choose right music, like listen only beats of a music or some motivation song or rap-like thing. Second, overstimulation. Loud or fast-paced music can overstimulate your brain, potentially leading to stress or burnout. Third, inappropriate volume. Listening to music at a high volume for extended periods can lead to hearing damage over time. Listening to music while coding can be a helpful tool for some programmers, but it's essential to find what works best for you personally. Experiment with different music genres and styles to discover whether it enhances your focus and productivity or acts as a distraction. Okay, let's end this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Bye.